everyone, and welcome to what is quite possibly my most favorite car in the world. My 2011 BMW M3 competition package. As you'll see from the description I'm going to post below of the mod list, it's far from a competition package now. It has an ESS 650 supercharger making 530 to the wheels and a 50 shot of nitrous in case I need it, but I don't really use it anymore because I only had it on there to make up from the 625 to 650 difference, because I used to have a 625 kit and now it's a 650, so I don't need that anymore. The drivetrain gets to remain stock in these cars because the clutch is super strong, up to like 700 horsepower. I do have a fully custom Turner Motorsports differential in the rear and KWV3 coilovers with Volk ZE40 forged wheels, 19 inches, 265s in the front, 295s out back. So great traction. I've got brand new Pilot P4S tires. I think they're better than the Sport Cup 2s, I had to be honest. They perform at all kinds of temperature conditions versus the Sport Cups, which really had to be warmed up to be used. This car has a 4-liter V8 revving to 8,250 RPMs. It's one of the most amazing engines I've ever experienced in my life. Of course, it's paired to the 6-speed manual transmission, the only way to go in my opinion. I'm going to take you on a drive today. We're going to start here at the beach, which is probably one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, here in the Panhandle of Florida. Then we're going to do a little bit of highway driving, work into some turns, onto a beautiful bridge, and then finish with some scenery on a beach kind of road that's owned by military, so it's just all beautiful scenery. We're going to be flooring it. We're going to be having a good time in the turns and just giving you an overall experience of what it's like to own this car and to drive it. It's got 77,000 miles on it, and I've had it since 2013, so almost 7 years now. We're right at 7 years. I'm going to be quiet now and let the fully titanium Akrapovic Evolution exhaust do the talking. Enjoy the ride. ends our drive today. Hope you enjoyed hearing that 4-liter V8 straight from Germany. The Akrapovic really gives it a nice exotic sound with that titanium metal. It's a different sound than like a stainless steel exhaust. That bridge we went over provides a pretty amazing view of the turquoise waters we have here. And this is now all owned by military. So it's a completely untouched area and it's absolutely beautiful. So wanted to end it here. Some nice white sand and some blue skies for those of you who are in lockdown mode in certain states. So hope you enjoyed riding along in this M3 today. It really is one of my favorite cars in the world. Like I said, I've had it for 7 years. That's a long time. I've never had a car 7 years. And I just absolutely love everything about it. The power is perfect. The handling is perfect. The noise is just as good as any exotic in my opinion. It just really has the whole package. And you can go out and get one of these right now for like 25 grand. Maybe a little bit less with some more miles. I just don't know of a lot of other cars that can do it. This car can do the all-around capabilities. I daily drove this car for like 2 years. I think it's just going to be a classic. It's the only M3 that ever had a V8 in it. So I really just can't say enough good things about this car. If you're looking for a V8 M3, just go out and get one already. I know there's a lot of you guys that like E46s, but this is the one, the E92 for me with the V8. Look at this beautiful water today. Want to end it here. This is the most beautiful stretch of road I could think of to end the video. If you enjoyed what you saw here, hit that big like button, the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn those notification alerts on so you actually know when we upload a video. And we look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.